This is a 2010 Nissan Forklift. The model is an MCP1F2A20LV. It's a 4,000 pound base capacity forklift, runs on propane fuel. It has the newer and modern Nissan K21 engine. It's got an automatic transmission. There's cushion tires. It's good for use on any solid surface, indoors or outdoors, whether it's pavement, concrete, asphalt, doesn't matter. It's got a short 2-stage trucker mast on it. It'll lift up to just about 7 feet. These are ideal to load and unload truck beds. If all you're doing is loading and unloading truck trailers and moving your product around your shop or yard, this is perfect for you. It has tilt function forward and back. We have several of these priced cheap, between 2010 and 2014. They're all under regular maintenance. They're in good working condition, ready to work. They're all priced between $5,500 and $6,000.